Hello everyone, welcome to the demonstration session of Phoneshopping network project. In this video, I'm going to show how to install the artifacts of this project. So the installation process has basically has two parts. One is installing an application server that can run Java web applications and database. Set up a database server. Let's first start with the database server. I'm already connected to to a database server that is hosted on this IP address, and the server database server I'm using is MariaDB. It is a version of MySQL server. So let's start by creating a database for our demo. Create database demo db. We would like to have it Unicode supported. Character set UTF-8, call it UTF-8 JCI. Okay, our database is created. You can see DemoDB is here. Now what we need to do, we need to create some tables and yeah, into it. So we have already shipped the database creation, the schema and all the DDL SQL scripts for this part for this project here, and it is already in the as part of the source code. So let us copy the codes and get it here, and then execute. Tables are created. Now we need to modify the tables to add index and foreign keys and constants and something like those. Those modifications are done, and now we need to insert some constants the application need from the very beginning before creating any user or any products or anything else. So the constants are coming from database. Run, everything is done. So these are the thing we need to create a database and run those SQL scripts. So if it seems clumsy for someone, then there is a very good way to do that, is just to use some command line client client for MySQL for database, and then create database from their terminal, and then just you need to run this command. So everything will be set up in one command like this. So this is mentioned in the readme file for this project. So our database is ready. Now we are going to see how we can install application server. So I'm currently connected to Ubuntu server being hosted on Amazon AWS, and for our test environment we used a Ubuntu 14.04 server, and there we already installed Apache Tomcat as our application server. So what we are going to do, we're going to clean and build our application, and then deploy the artifacts on that Tomcat server. So let me run the command gradle git clean build. So it will clean everything that it already built and then build again from the beginning. Okay, the build is successful. So basically we have two web applications here. One is web application and another one is web console. Web application is for the web service, and web console is for. So what we need to do, we need to copy the build war files to the server. Cd Phoneshopping web app. this war file. So I need to copy this war file. I resource academics sessions 2016 Microsoft Engineering projects, and then there is a permission file. To that I am going to copy it to my docket. Ubuntu at psns. This is shortcut opt folder, and I would like to have it renamed shopping. So the renaming should be done by configuring Gradle build script. Okay. Okay, there is a problem copying it from here. Maybe there's some problem with the terminal of this IDE. So let's just start copy the files with something else. Okay, we can just copy the WAR file from this folder to here using WinSCP.